So if you're wondering how often you need to change and flush your brake fluid, this is on a 2019 Ford F-150. They usually suggest with an F-150, this is a DOT4 brake fluid. So those usually have to get changed out sooner than the DOT3s. But they're saying at least every 3 years or 30,000 miles, whichever comes sooner. So that's their recommended maintenance time to change those things. Obviously, they usually probably go a little on the early side. So a lot of people, some people make it last about 100,000 miles, but you can start building up water in here, which is not good. And then it'll start evaporating sooner because the boiling point will actually be lower than if there's water in there. So it'll be boiling a lot sooner than it needs to be compared to regular brake fluid. But then that means there's going to be gases that are released when the water's evaporating through here, and this is sealed. There's going to be gases in there, so therefore when you try to press the brake pedal down, you're going to be compressing the gases instead of pushing that brake fluid down to the brake pads. So it's probably recommended to change that every 3 years or 30,000 miles.